Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Google Play Movies and TV and signing in with the Google account you want to use. This ties purchases and rentals to that profile. Once signed in, make sure a valid payment method or a redeemed promo code is attached so transactions go through smoothly. If you need offline playback, enable downloads in settings and choose a storage location. This prevents interruptions when you leave Wi-Fi. Now search for the title you want to rent or buy to move to checkout. Once you find a movie or show, compare rent versus buy and check the rental period, supported resolutions, and whether subtitles are included. This helps you choose best value. Select rent or buy, set playback quality, higher uses more data and storage, and confirm the purchase with your Google account payment. After buying, add the title to your library or watch list, if needed. Start a download for offline viewing or cast directly to a compatible TV using the cast icon so you can watch, open the title from your library, and use playback controls to enable subtitles, switch audio tracks, or jump chapters. These options improve accessibility and convenience. Make sure app settings reflect your streaming and download preferences and set parental controls when needed to restrict content. If playback fails, first confirm you're signed into the correct Google account and that the app is up to date. Then check your internet connection and free device storage. If problems persist, restart the device and try again. This often clears transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.